Governor Joe Scarborough here, your constituent. How are you doing this morning?
I'm doing well, thanks.
Very good. You use the term conservative talking points and radical talking points to describe what Mike Barnacle had told you, that 20 other states had similar laws to what was in Indiana, when in fact we read from the Washington Post this morning and the Associated Press that said just that there are 20 other states that have very similar laws. Certainly, you certainly wouldn't say that the Washington Post or the Associated Press were, I'm sorry, you said conservative, radical, or bigoted, would you?
I would say that whoever wrote those articles is making a massive mistake, and that mistake is being used to cover outright bigotry in Indiana. That's what's going on, and people should stop repeating those points. For instance, to point out that states recognize religious freedom, we have a United States Constitution that recognizes religious freedom. Almost every state has it in its Constitution recognizing religious freedom. So let's not mistake what was going on.
But if that's the case, if we have religious freedom in the Constitution, we do in the First Amendment, then why did Connecticut feel compelled in 1993 to pass this law?
You mean 2 years after it already said that you cannot discriminate against people based on sexual orientation? That's the difference, Joe. What was going on, you know about the debate in Indiana. This has been well publicized. As I say, in the very picture at the signing ceremony, there are pictures of, there are 3 homophobic men who have made it a part of their business to make gay people as miserable as possible in that picture. The governor knew what he was doing. He miscalculated terribly in a state that he's absolutely right. I don't think people in Indiana want to discriminate this way, but somehow they got people in the legislature to pass this very law that would legalize discrimination in Indiana. Indiana is the home of the NCAA. NCAA should not play any tournaments in that state any longer until Indiana recognizes the rights of gay men and gay women.
They're looking at
it is the home of most. It's the home of most of fraternities. It's the base of most fraternities that exist in the United States. Those fraternities should get up and move out of Indiana unless Indiana is willing to recognize the rights of individuals.